the endless skies. The rustling leaves are whispering a peaceful lullaby. The wind, it tells a story of time long passed away, as we wander hand in hand through the beauty of the day. In Vaassen, where the rivers run free, the mill turns slow like a memory. The castle stands proud and strong as the birds sing their timeless song. Oh, Vaassen, your beauty will always be a place where my soul feels wild and free. The mill stands by the water, its blades turning around, a gentle hum of history, a soft and ancient sound. Cannenburch rises with its towers high and bold, a place where dreams of knights and queens quietly unfold. In Vaassen, where the rivers run free, the mill turns slow like a memory. The castle stands proud and strong as the birds sing their timeless song. Oh, Vaassen, your beauty will always be a place where my soul feels wild and free. With every step we take, the world slows down. In nature's arms there's peace to be found. Through the meadows and past the stream, Vaassen feels like a living dream. In Vaassen, where the rivers run free, the mill turns slow like a memory. The castle stands proud and strong as the birds sing their timeless song. Oh, Vaassen, your beauty will always be a place where my soul feels wild and free. A place where my soul feels wild and free.